It's time for today's Motivation to Move. So for that, we're revisiting a workout that shaped the culture of fitness. And guess what? That workout, it's still going strong. Let's find out why jazzercise is a great way to get moving. Here to break it down for us is Ann Graham. Now, Ann, jazzercise has been keeping people healthy for many, many years, but just in case somebody's not familiar with jazzercise, can you explain what the jazzercise of today is all about?
We are a dance, cardio, fitness program. Great music, great moves. We have a lot of fun. We've actually been around for 51 years.
When we're in class, what are we working in our body?
So in one jazzercise class, you're going to get great cardio, strength training, as well as stretching. When you move through dance moves, you're not just moving forward. So with that, you're not just going to work your quads forward, you're going to work your hamstrings on the way back. Dance moves can also incorporate level changes. Dance moves really are the foundation of functional fitness, and that we're really mirroring moves that we do every day.
So Ann, talk a little bit about the fun factor and how that impacts our working out.
If you don't find something that you enjoy doing from a workout factor, you're not going to do that. You get together in a class, lots of motivation, lots of energy, great music. You can't help but not have a good time.
All right, Ann, so let's get started. You've got 3 moves that you're gonna show us today.
First one, we're going to do 2 steps, and we're going to do a move that's called a triplet, which is just really you're moving your feet 3 times. So you're going to step, step, 1, 2, 3, step, step, use those hips. Now you're going to reach, you're going to pull back, and you're going to double hip right, double hip left.
I love it. I love the hip movement, Ann. Okay, what is dance move number 2?
So if we do a ball change, easy thing. You can just go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You want to add a little hip. It's going to have a little bit more Latin flair to it, more like a mambo. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Take it back, take it back. So you can take the same move and you can do it in different directions. Now, if you want to increase the intensity, you almost add a jog to it to make it more of what we call a running ball change. So you might add a little bit different arm movement. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, take it back, and out, take it back, take it back.
I'm already out of breath just following along. Let's do dance move number 3.
Cardio moves. You want to get down, abs tight, shoulders back, nice strong core. You get your arms into what I call a guard position, right? But we're not just going to start with the jab. Talking back to high knee raises, Jane, we're going to add them to this move. So you're going to start off on your right, knee, knee, jab, 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 jab. Now do that left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to uppercut, and then I'm going to do a roundhouse kick, uppercut, and a roundhouse kick.
I think wrapping it all up, having fun is so important when staying healthy, and jazzercise is a great way to do that.
Dance fitness, you got music, you got rhythm. You just get to let your body go. You're really training your body for functional fitness. And not only is dance workout a powerful physical workout, it's also awesome for your brain.
Thanks, Ann.
Thanks, Jane.
5, 6, 7, 8. For more motivation to move, just head to our website, livinghealthytv.com. So if you like this video and want more living healthy, just subscribe to our channel.